Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Want an extra layer of protection during this cold and flu season? This essential oil from doTERRA might be the right one for you.
So this is the On Guard Protective Blend from doTERRA. It has a warm, spicy, woody aroma that is great for immune support. So you can use it in various ways. You can put it in your diffuser and it helps refresh and energize the air, especially during cold season. You can also add it to your dish soap because it helps purify and eliminate odor. I've also used it in my hand sanitizer. I just add a couple of drops just as an extra layer of protection. I even like to add it to my essential oil bracelet. I just add a couple of drops to the black porous stone and then just gently rub it on my hands and just have it on me throughout the day.
I hope you find as much benefit from this essential oil as much as I did, but that's just my point of view.